All right, Lurch.
Yo.
Not gonna lie to you, your bike sounds like a sissy bike.
Sounds like a sewing machine right now.
We are prepped here in the Law Abiding Biker Shop to fix that issue on his 24 Road Glide. We've got a lot of different exhaust available in the Law Abiding Biker store. We're always adding. But what choice did you make for your Road Glide?
I went with the Khrome Werks HP Plus. That's horsepower plus with the classic tip in chrome.
Yeah, lots of different options. We will link to it in the description below for you right from the Law Abiding Biker store. Lurch,
yeah,
quit dicking around and get that out so we can get these installed.
I'm working on it.
All right, so in this video, we're gonna install these. We'll show you how to do that. Then we're gonna go out on the road, give you a comparison between stock OEM exhaust and the sound of these Khrome Werks, along with some shots of how they look on the bike. And there are different variations of this, and you can find those variations in the Law Abiding Biker store. And if you appreciate this video and all the videos we put out on the channel to help as many bikers as we can worldwide, we do appreciate you shopping in the Law Abiding Biker store. We truly are just a bootstrap company of bikers trying to help as many bikers as we can worldwide. We appreciate every customer. We will definitely take care of you. Free shipping over $100, no taxes if you're not a Washington state resident. And we're not like the big online conglomerate stores that just bring every product in. We actually like to test and review a lot of the products that make the cut in the Law Abiding Biker store so you know they can be trusted. I put the Vance & Hines Super Sport slip-ons on my 24 Street Glide you see in the back. The best way to find those videos is always go to the Law Abiding Biker store, scroll to the bottom of any listing. If there's an associated video, it will be there for you to watch. And we definitely did a sound comparison and install on those. Great exhaust system too. You look like a fireman or something.
Dragging my hose?
Yeah, with your little hose. Going up. All right, we're gonna get wrenching here. He's just gonna remove his saddlebag, both sides. Before we get wrenching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon every time those are hit. Another biker joins the revolution, and we'd love to have you guys be part of it. All right, with the 9/16 socket, he's gonna go ahead and get this main left side muffler clamp loosened up real good. And with a 1/2 inch socket, he'll grab these two bolts there. This is your top bracket that kind of goes through a rubber boot there. He'll back both of those out and just move it on to the rear one there. Now you can just start working this muffler off there. If they've been on a while, they are not going to come off this easy. You may have to put some lubricant up in there, but even at that, he's still twisting it and working it back and forth until you get it off there. Moving around to the right side here, that main right side muffler clamp bolt is a 5/8. And so he's just going to loosen that guy up too. And again, same two bracket bolts there. Those are 1/2 inch socket that he's going to be removing there. And he's got everything loosened up, and he's just going to work this right side off here. Pull hard, Lurch, and it comes easy. Lurch has been jerking the gherkin too much. He's got to have an arm brace. Lurch is just working on getting those clamps off the old mufflers there because we're going to reuse those. Ah, success. All right, going on with the left side here. Just make sure you get your OEM clamp back around there. And the trick to this is, if you want to get it on all the way, is he'll put this on the concrete. And once you get it started, and then you can just simply bang down like that a little bit. And that gets it on there perfectly flush, as you'll see with the end of the pipe, which is exactly where you need it. Pro tip there. All right, he will commence putting the muffler onto the header pipe here. And going back in with his two bolts there, he'll get them finger started there. All right, and again, he's gonna use his 1/2 inch socket on these to snug them down. And going in with his 9/16 socket, and he will just get that main muffler clamp bolt snug down here real good. And a reminder, you don't have to over tighten this stuff, guys. This muffler expands when it gets hot and it will be just fine. All right, so the side goes on a little harder here for us, so he's just gonna lubricate that up a little bit there. All right, now he can go ahead and work this right side muffler into place here, and that's definitely helping us get that guy on there. And back in with his two bracket bolts there. 1/2 inch socket on those. And he'll finish off by tightening that right side muffler clamp bolt. That is a 5/8 socket. Look at those nasty, greasy fingerprints on there. Fix it with BUGSLIDE. Don't ride without the slide. That is our #1 go-to waterless motorcycle cleaner, available in the Law Abiding Biker store. I'll link to it in the description below. We use it on chrome, on our paint. You can use it on black trim bikes, denim paint. We use it on our windshields, our helmets, our face shields, our boots, literally anything it's good for. Smells very nice, and it's how we keep our entire fleet of police bikes nice and shiny. Smells great, not like a chemical, and puts a very protective microscopic finish on everything. It's going to make the grime and bugs come off that much easier. Again, BUGSLIDE, link in the description below, Law Abiding Biker store. All right, Lurch, moment of truth. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah, much better. All right, is it everything you dreamed of, Lurch?
And more.
Yeah.